Hey y'all, Kayla Mowdy, Doctor of Physical Therapy here, and today I want to introduce to you some of my favorite essential oils. So I started doing essential oils over a year ago. I started buying them, researching them, using them as much as I could, and I have a few of my favorites that I just gathered up around the house that I want to show you and kind of tell you what I would use them for. Lavender is very calming. It's probably the most well-known essential oil. Young Living's lavender is pure with a seed to seal guarantee, so it doesn't even smell like what most people think lavender smells like, because it's not fake. It is truly from the lavender plant. Rub on feet, behind the head, before bed. Kind of my favorite thing there. You can also diffuse it. Thieves has some antiseptic properties, so it can help you keep you from getting sick. I've saved me twice this season. Get a little scratch in your throat. You actually can. The white labels are ingestible, so I just put just one drop, roof of the mouth. It's kind of a cinnamony smell. It's got cinnamon in it, and it can help kill germs and help you bounce back a little bit quicker. Peppermint, most well known for headaches, also can flavor a beverage and kind of give you refreshing recovery from running or something like that. Frankincense is my favorite to diffuse when I'm studying. There's also a blend called Clarity that I use sometimes. Frankincense is also known for skin and for Christmas time. So this is one of my favorites. This is my second bottle and it's like almost gone. Then you can do roller bottles. You can mix up different ones, and this is a skin moisturizer. So I've got coconut oil and then frankincense, LME, carrot seed, lavender, all in here. Use it at night kind of as my moisturizer. Deep Relief is great for soreness after running, or just my knee gets a little sore. Sometimes rub it on there, keep going about my business, do a few stretches, and I feel a lot better. And then Believe. So this is one I bought right after Christmas last year, and it is a blend made by Gary Young, and it's got lots of good stuff. It really kind of gets me in the Christmas spirit and makes me feel centered. I've been diffusing this for probably a week now. Really like it. I hope that y'all learned something today about using essential oils instead of running for the ibuprofen, or just to help you stay well and promote good system support in your body to stay healthy and be healthy. If y'all have more questions about essential oils, please let me know. Most of these are actually included in the starter kit. Frankincense, lavender, thieves, and peppermint are definitely in the starter kit, and it comes with a diffuser, and it's a really good deal if you're interested in dabbling in oils, and that's how I got started. Just let me know. Y'all have a wonderful Monday. Bye.